I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the hardware so the rest goes quickly. First, plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port on your TV. This sends audio and video. Then attach the USB power cable to the Chromecast and to the included power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. This ensures stable power versus using a TV USB port. Once done, switch the TV to that HDMI input so you can see the Chromecast setup. Now you'll connect the Chromecast to your network and pair a control device. Open the Google Home app and tap Add, then Set Up Device. The app scans and finds the Chromecast broadcast. Select the Chromecast name and confirm the code shown on your phone matches the code on the TV so you avoid pairing the wrong device. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This links Chromecast to your router so it can stream directly from the internet or mirror your screen. Finish the process by allowing any firmware updates the Chromecast requests. Updates add features and improve stability. Test casting from a familiar app like YouTube. Tap the cast icon and pick your Chromecast to confirm audio and video work. If playback stutters or no device appears, make sure your phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi band. If problems persist, reboot the Chromecast, restart your router, and power cycle the TV. This clears temporary network conflicts and usually restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.